And also, whenever you need the power, press and go. And it even holds the gear too. So it's a smart gearbox. It knows what you want to do. It knows when you need the power. It's always ready to go. Hi there, everyone. Welcome to DM Car Reviews. Today we have a very special car on our channel. It's been highly requested. This is a 2009 Ford Taurus. A lot of you have been asking me for this or the 500, but I came across this beautiful unit, so I just have to make a video about this Ford Taurus. This has been my first time driving this American beauty, and I have to say, I've never been impressed with any Ford as much as this one, and I will tell you later on why throughout the video. But truly, what a stunning car. It has these late 90s Ford Scorpio vibes. It's long, it's big. It looks exactly like a Ford should. This is exactly the kind of Fords that were built to last. And I want to say a huge thank you to Ideal Cars of York, PA, of course, for providing me this. Let's check out the rear seat. Surprisingly, soft touch material here. Everything is actually soft here. This is nice. And we have this enormous, gigantic rear seat. It's absolutely huge. And let's hop in here. So hopping in the back seat. I'm 6'2", and oh my gosh, is there a lot of space. This is like an S-Class. The seats are comfy, they're nicely inclined, very relaxing. The cloth feels high quality, and as you can see over the years and miles, it has kept up its shape beautifully. We got an outlet, rear climate vents. Seriously good car. And the materials are well made, they're high quality, they're not cheap. Because in a lot of cars nowadays, even for 30-35K, like, you still see hard plastics in the back. That's you know, I'm not a fan of that. I actually like it when it has good plastic. Look at the trunk space here. You can literally pack this whole trunk with suitcases and you'll still have plenty of room to go. I love this. Okay, but let's fire up this Taurus. I believe this is the 3.5 liter, and I think it may be the 6-speed automatic if I'm not mistaken. But let's go check out the engine bay. Everything is easy to find. Hydraulic hood holder. Still, everything is factory from what it seems to me. Bolts are not turned. You can see they're all rusted up already. So this is all original. This looks like an original car. Just need a little bit of that AutoZone headlight mixture. Rub it off. It's gonna look beautiful again. We even have the pass right here to the door. And here we're treated to a comfortable plush cabin. And I do say plush because it is super comfortable in this car. Seats feel amazing. I could literally sit in these for hours, 10 hours, whatever time I have to drive. We have our cubbies, and just take a look how nicely everything has kept up over the years. Almost 16 years now. This is soft. This is soft. This is soft. This is nice. Yeah, this is soft too. And this looks like fake wood. Maybe it is actual wood. I don't know. It looks good to me. It feels nice. We got our AC. It's ice cold. Let's do our wiper test, horn test. And another thing I like about this car is that it's very minimalistic. It's simple. Everything here is straight to the point. You got your audio, CD. There's nothing else that you have to, you know, look for. No distractions. I mean, this is wonderful. You can adjust your mirrors here. All right, well, let's go into drive and take her for a nice spin. I want to incorporate some highway driving here today as well. The gears are smooth, the shifts are smooth. And the steering wheel, look at how nicely it's kept up its shape over the years. It's not faded, it's not worn out, but it is original. Auto locking doors. And from the first couple hundred feet, I can already say what a comfortable suspension this is. My God, does it glide nicely. And it's effortless. Not even pressing the gas whatsoever. The cabin is hushed quiet. It's a windy day today, but I don't hear any wind. It moves beautifully. There's plenty of torque, plenty of power, and 70 feels maybe like 25, 30. Wow. All I can say is this is impressive. If I were to compare this to any car that I've driven so far, I would have to compare this to the 2005 S-Class S500 that I've drove. It feels exactly the same on the suspension. Just the ride, the plushness, the smoothness, it's exactly like an S-Class. And I will have to check the original MSRP on this car, because I have a feeling it's probably like high 20s, low 30s, back in the day, of course, before any discounts. Alignment seems perfect. You know, it's just glides. Steering is responsive, but it is floaty, relaxed. If you want to compare the steering to any car, compare it to the Lexus LS 460. It's exactly the same steering. It feels the same behavior, same feedback. So thus far, this car feels exactly like a S500 and an LS 460 combined. Let's check the train tracks, check the suspension smoothness. Oh, you don't feel anything. It's amazing. Magnificent. Adding in a little bit of gas. And look at how nicely and comfortably it's building up the speed to 60. Not even applying any throttle. Brakes feel solid, responsive. This is magnificent. All right, let's let the traffic through. Head on out here now, and we'll do our run. This will be the first run so far. All right, come to a full stop. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Wow. Impressive, impressive. 7.4 seconds, 7.41 valid. And then the 1/8 mile was 10.09 at 71.88, so almost 72 miles an hour. I think we can definitely do better. Let's try one more time. I think we could definitely do better. All right, let's reset the draggy, reset the RaceBox. All right, let's come to a quick full stop. All right, let's reset it. All right, 3, 2, 1. .36. There we go. Alrighty. So 0 to 60 came in at 7.32 seconds. Valid. 0 to 62 in 7.67. 1/8 mile in a flat 10, 72.22. And then the 40 to 80, 7.89. Let's come to a full stop. All right. All right, 3. All right, let's do it. 3, 2, 1. Oh, it spun a bit too. .3 again. So again, very consistent times, as you can see with this car. 7.18 by draggy. That is our best result today. So about 7.2, 7.3 seconds. Brakes still feel great. Well, this summarizes our performance section of the test drive. So that is how easily it drives on the freeway, gracefully, plenty of power, such a breeze to drive. What I especially love about this Taurus
Continue on Roosevelt Avenue
is the combination of the transmission and the engine. Very seamless. It's a breeze to drive. And also, whenever you need the power, press and go. And it even holds the gear too. So it's a smart gearbox. It knows what you want to do. It knows when you need the power. It's always ready to go. Yeah, so to summarize this test drive, I have absolutely loved this Taurus, and this has to be my favorite Ford. No, it's not the Mustang GT. No, it's not the Explorer EcoBoost. It's actually this specific Ford. This is the best riding Ford that I've ever been in, just by far. And it's so silky and smooth and effortless that it's just such a great combination. It pretty much keeps pace with any V6 modern sedan like the ES350, the Camry V6. This will keep up the pace with them. You can tell it by the low 7 seconds 0 to 60. It's right about where they are. And it's just as quick as your GTI, just, you know. But make sure to smash that like and subscribe button, and till next time.
In 600 feet,